Hey everyone, welcome back to Girl Coder. Today I'm going to share some different interesting ways to build a basic calculator using Python. So here I will be showing you 4 different methods that we can use to create a calculator. These are hands-on exercises that will help you to put into practice that you have been studying in Python. If you want to know all of them, then stick around to this video till the end. For that, I'll be using VS Code Editor, and you can use one of your choice. So the first and the easiest method is by creating a calculator using if-else statements. So let's start by creating a new Python file. So let me create a folder in the beginning. So calculator. Calculator. Just keep it as calculator for a while. Yeah. Now open VS Code through command prompt using command code space dot. Now create a file. Exercise1.py. Now save it and open this file to begin coding. Now let's create a menu that will show us 4 basic operations of the calculator. So the operations will be addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, let's do it. So the first thing will be menu, print. We are going to show 4 different options to the user. Enter. So the first will be addition. And then subtraction. And then we have multiplication. Wait, give me a second. Yeah, it's right. Multiplication, and now division. Yeah, now we have 4 options here. Now we will be creating a variable which will help us to choose one of the operations from the menu that we want to perform. So let's be the variable choice. Just going to take this as input from the user. Enter. Choice. Yep. After that, we will be asking the user to enter the input of the first and second number. So a equal to ask the first number. So we are going to convert the number, which will be in string, to integer using int method. And yeah, enter the first number. And do the same thing to get second number. Just keep it as variable b, second number. That's it. Now let's work on creating conditional statements based on the choice of the user. So, what are we going to do to create conditional statements? Obviously, if choice given by the user is 1, just print a plus b, because because if the user clicks 1, gives input as 1, we have to add. So that's what we are doing here. And if user gives us 2, we have to print a minus b. And if choice is 3, we have to print multiplication. So just keep multiply, and if choice is 4, then division. What if choice is something that is not there in the menu? Oh my god, we don't have to use if. We can just use elif here. Elif and elif. And what if the choice is not there in the menu? We have to just print invalid choice here. That's it. So yeah, if we run this, save this and run this, first you'll be getting 4 choices: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. My god, did I? Okay. Let me close this and run it again for you guys. Okay, we're getting addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And if you give, oh my god, didn't I take choice? Enter choice. Where it is taking the input then? Okay. 1 choice. Invalid choice. Obviously, it's not taking input here. Yeah, now it will work. Enter choice. Let me add. So 1, 5, 3, 8. Yeah, it's working. So what if I give a choice that is out of the scope? 5. Invalid choice. Okay. Yeah, it's working. And if you would like to get more content in Python, you can go to our website. The link will be in the description. There we post a lot of programming content. And now let's wrap it up here.